Okay, it's a Ford S550 Plus, and I have a trunk leak which is not very uncommon for these models from 2015 to 2020. So I actually kept this pan, because I know that it's gonna leak after rain. So like that, I mean, yesterday it was raining and it started leaking. So if you see, there is a mark on that gasket, and I read somewhere it could be the cable which can fold, and see if the cable is actually being folded, and that deflects the gasket, which allow rain when you drive it, or after a snowstorm, I mean after a rainstorm, it's actually the water can get in. So we'll try for the solution. This is an easy fix. You can take this to a Ford dealership. Probably they can simply change the wire for you. I don't want to do that. See that you can see the cable which is going in between. That actually defends. So use a pen and leave the cap and just take the center stem and make a small slide through it, so you can actually take this into the cable. So I did it like this, and I kept it in. Now move the plastic so that the cable doesn't fold. You can do something else. You can find something which is more innovative and good, or you can take it to their dealership, which they will probably take half a day. I just find it very easy to do it. So cover that folding part of the cable, so it's not going to fold anymore and not going to block or not going to deflect the gasket. So I kept it like that, and we will take another video from inside and see. That's good. It's not touching anywhere now. So this is the video from inside, like the other video. So now you can see it's not folding and touching the gasket. So it's fixed. So let's see on another rain and see how it is.